Hi, this is Chinmayi and today it is giveaway time. So let me take you right in.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. So back in June when I went to Korea, I went to the the office of recipe or RE:CP. So the recipe office, and I did a series of Instagram stories with the gentleman there, and all of you guys found him to be really cute. A lot of you guys were crushing on him. So what he did do was he saw the video that I put up on YouTube and he sent me a package of the first ever package this channel got. Yay! Okay, free stuff. So this is the first time that I have not bought something to give away to you guys. He said he's going to be sending me a set of nail polishes that I can do a giveaway for you guys. So here is this looks like a small box, but it's heavy. This is like some 15 kilos, I'm sure. So all of this has several different sets of nail polish, the type of peel off nail polish, and some of my friends, some of my Instagram followers also told me this is halal nail polish, I think, because I believe if I learned right, you're not supposed to have nail polish while they're praying apparently, and they can actually peel this off before they pray and then wear the nail polish back. So this is, in my opinion, beautiful. Also in this giveaway is going to be 3 of recipes SPF 35 sun gel. This I've really liked it and I want you guys as well to try it, and let's go. So as you will see, see, I'm not good with this, I'm not dexterous, yes. So these are different shades of nail polish, all of them are free. This is a set of 3. So they'll come in these very interesting colors, green and yellow and reds and pinks. So here is orange, and all this while I've been showing you this side thinking you can also see this side, and Manoj has been titting me. Okay, orange and this very, very lovely deep violet, if I can call it, this yellow, this red, and I found a green, a lovely green, a leaf green. And did I show you guys orange? Okay, so this is a set of 3, a clear nail polish, a base coat and a glitter top coat. You can also use the glitter top coat on its own, or the clear nail polish as well on its own. So if you're into these bright colors, I'm sure you're going to like it, because you don't need any acetone or any sort of nail polish remover to remove these nail polishes. They just easily peel off. Of course, with a little bit of, it's not as if you're just going to go brush it. You can just peel it off like you would peel off a sticker of sorts. So this is a water based nail polish. It doesn't smell, have the harsh chemical smell, as they say, like any other polish that you might generally find in the market. And this is water based, this is gentle, and I have also used it. I have showed you guys how I really like it, and I have demonstrated this to you I think in the previous video. And this I have a lot to give away. Okay, I need to work better with this. So huge shout out to David from Recipe who sent this package, and I'm going to be giving this nail polish sets, 2 of each to at least 25 of you. And here are the additional things. He says that there are relatively no harmful ingredients, and water is the main ingredient in this nail polish. There is no stinky smell that comes with nail polishes. Is generally good for the health of your nail versus the gel nail polish that doesn't get removed with normal acetone, and it is very, very easy to use and very easy to remove without any remover. So that's that. Please leave a comment down below if you want to be considered to win one of these 2 sets of nail polish, and I'll be very, very happy to send it across to you. This giveaway is open across India. And once you have used this nail polish, the only request that I might have this time, because David has been so kind to send it from Recipe, the only thing that I would ask of you is, if you use this nail polish, take a picture and post it to me on Instagram, and I'll share it on my wall. That's that, and I really hope you enjoy these nail polishes, and until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying goodbye.